Okay, George Brett. How about Saturday?
No, enter the man mouth.
On the spate of insecurity in the Nigerian nation, the Senate notes with sadness the rising spate of killings, kidnappings, banditry, and other criminal activities in the nation. That the Senate do invoke the earlier resolutions to invite the security chiefs for an interactive session with the Senate with a view to resolving the insecurity that is plaguing the country.
The motion has been moved by the leader of the Senate on behalf of the 109 senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and seconded by the minority leader in respect of the security situation in the country, the killing of people even after collection of ransom, and the fact that people have turned it into a merchandise where middlemen are now collecting money from victims. And the Senate has also noted the bomb explosion at Bodija in Ibadan in Oyo State that led to loss of lives and properties. Several residential houses, schools, hotels, religious and worship centers were destroyed. The Senate has also noted the killings of several residents of Bangu, Bokos, and Boko Ladi communities in Plateau State, and is asking that the Senate do invoke its area resolution to invite the security chiefs for an inquisitive session with a view to resolving the insecurity that is plaguing the entire country